File Manager. File Manager is where you store anything that's non-collateral. It's a storage area or a repository for anything that is not going to need a trigger of an email alert on expiry. Very like on your PC, we've got our main drive here, and then we've got folders, and we could have subfolders underneath as well. Under here you can see we've got documents in there. They're all empty. So if I want to add a new folder within Collateral or within File Manager, I want to add a subfolder to this custom PowerPoint. I'll double click on that so you can see here now the path I've taken. So I am definitely in Custom PowerPoints. Click New Folder, give it a name and hit Return, just like you do on your PC. Now you can see we're in General Documents, Custom PowerPoints, but underneath there I've got a demo folder, my subfolder underneath Custom PowerPoints. If I double click on it, it brings me to it. If I wanted to add files or documents to my demo folder, I would click Add File. I can drag from my desktop straight onto here, or I'll click Select Files. And I can upload multiple files at any time, so by just holding down the Control key on your keyboard, there's 4 files I'm going to upload into File Manager. It lists them, and then I click Upload Files. You can see the timeline of progress. When it's done, you get this pop-up and you click OK. So now you can see within my demo folder the documents that I have in here. If I just click back on General Documents, once I double click on anything on the left hand side, the next tier underneath appears on the right hand side. So if I clicked on my custom PowerPoints, you can now see my demo folder and these in here. I can drag and drop anything in. On the left hand side I could drag, so if I want to put my demo folder actually up under the main tier, if I click on it I get the little green tick and I click, and now it's there. When I put it back under Custom PowerPoints, it's now under Custom PowerPoints. Within EasyPQQ you can also put security on files and folders. So if I click on my demo folder, this Properties appears, the name of it and who it was created by. If I want to add security to it, I'll start typing anyone's name. And as long as they're a user on EasyPQQ and set up in the security module, I can now set security. So only me as the creator and Daniel Edwards can see this folder. All other users won't see it. However, when they're up in Custom PowerPoints, they will see this little padlock. To go into my demo folder, if I wanted to lock any of the files in there, I could do so as well. If I want to delete anything from File Manager, or I could just click on it and I get these options. I can rename it, I can cut it and then paste it. Or I could delete it. The other option I have in File Manager is to batch download multiple files into a zip file if you need to share with people, share files with people. Sometimes multiple documents are too large to email. If you put them into File Manager, then another user can come into File Manager and retrieve them, hold down the Control key and click on each file. Then you'll see you get the download button. And there I've got a zip file. And that's File Manager.